going on. And the original price of those shoes is $790 per one pair. So I got it half for 375, I think. So tax is not included in that. So yeah. So that's all for today. And if you have any question regarding with my unboxing today, please comment it down below. And also, if you haven't subscribed on my channel, please subscribe now for more updates and videos to come. And that's all for today. And thank you so much. And let's have a good day. Bye.